Hola y bienvenidos a Módulo Ocho. So we are officially more than halfway through the semester. So congratulations on making it that far. And let's keep going strong until the end. So the main thing to be working on this unit is the field specific project, which hopefully you already have set up your person that you're going to interview. And remember, for the field specific project, you are asking the person, what do you do when you get a patient that doesn't speak English? So you want to ask them, like, what's the procedure? Do you have translators? Do you have like some other, like visual aids that you all use? How do you discharge them? You can ask them other things like, how often do you get non-English speaking patients, if they have any significant like if they can remember a time that they worked with a specific patient. Remember that you need 2 pages of writing in English to summarize your conversation about that. Okay, so 2 pages in English telling what that person does when they get non-English speaking patients. And then at the end of those 2 pages, you need another page with your vocabulary list. So you're going to ask them, what do you think are the most important words for me to know if I get a Spanish speaking patient? And you're going to use those words, make those words on your vocabulary list at the end. Okay. Remember, the 2 full pages, double spaced in English. If you need help with your writing or formatting or anything, you can go to the Writing Center on any campus. You can also send your paper to be checked by the Writing Center. So I really recommend that you all do that. Okay, other than that, so the readings and resources are pretty similar to last module. Like the readings anyway are similar to last module, except this module, because we're halfway through, it's kind of like midterm. So the quiz this week is going to be a review of everything that we have done before. So if there was anything you really didn't understand, any of the verbs or anything, please email me before you take the quiz. And there's a video, it's an old video, but it's going to summarize a lot of the main points of what, like all the verbs and things that we've gone through. So make sure that you go through the previous modules before you take the quiz. Okay. So for the assignments, there is a discussion board. So part of it is from the articles, and then part of it is from your experience from the field specific project. So make sure you get your initial post in by Wednesday. The quiz, like I said, it's longer and it's going to cover things that we've done through the previous units. And then we have the field specific project to make sure you submit your paper on time. Again, 2 pages, double spaced in English with the vocabulary list, a 3rd page at the end. Okay. All right. Let me know if you have any questions. Y nos vemos pronto.